Well, it was just a matter of time before this thing kicked the bucket. Let's see what happens when you try to spin it. Let's see what's inside. It's a 10mm. Yeah, it warms that up. Have I ever done this before? No. There's the top screw for the gasket. I got that loose now. This wire holds the gasket on the drum. It's just like disconnecting radiator hoses. This is underneath the drum. Here are the rear shock mounts. That's what I'm going to call them. Okay. Let's take this bottom hose off. Well, I took that clamp apart, didn't I? This one comes out of here. Let's see if we can get that out of there. Yep. Okay, here's the spider, and I'll put it in the drum right here, all by itself. You notice as I spin it, that this one arm comes out closer this way than the other two. So to make this job complete, I'll need a spider, I'll need a seal, the two bearings, and this gasket that goes around the outside. But the deal breaker is this crack right here in the tub. So now I need a new tub, and all those parts together is going to be $325 plus tax and shipping. It's like $70 to ship the tub, so we're probably looking at $430 maybe. So I'm just gonna get a new washing machine. We're done. So I cleaned this up a bit just to show you where it failed. Anyway, it cracked all along here. So I'll step on it to show you how it flexes. Maybe a little more flex.